This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Traci Greene. Unrestricted 4+ acre Newport mountain view home with over 10 garage spaces, workshops, commercial additional kitchen for canning, RV hookup, powder coating room and potential equipment for sale. This 3,438 square foot home is 4 bedroom/3.5 bath with full bedroom and bath downstairs with 2-car attached main garage. First insulated detached garage has commercial style kitchen for canning, parties, hosting, half bath, own septic, hot water heater and large screen TV for hosting and sunshade with 4-car garage space. This space could easily be a living quarters. Bottom garage space is also heated and cooled with RV hookup, workshop for powder coating 4 garage spaces. New HVAC, 6-year-old roof. Each garage space has Wi-Fi for business or play. Just minutes from the golf course with no restrictions. Perfect home with a business owner, car enthusiast, large or multi-family with detached garage conversion to living quarters, and more. For more information,